Meanwhile, a whistleblower's lawyer advised the public that only one of the so-called Napoles lists should be given credence. He says that list is in possession of Justice Secretary Leila de Lima. Noel Perfecto tells us more.
6 various copies of Janet Lim Napoles list of personalities involved in the 10 billion Priority Development Assistance Fund scam were on the hands of different individuals and have been printed out on broadsheets. Said Napoles copies were on the possession of President Benigno Aquino III, Secretary Leila de Lima, Rehab Sarping Lacson, Sandra Cam, Tribune, and a broadsheet with a nationwide circulation.
Opo, 6. Una, merong ipinakita kay President Pinoy. Pangalawa, yung ibinigay kay Secretary Lacson. Pangatlo, yung ibinigay kay Secretary de Lima. Pero may naunang ibinigay kay Sandra Cam. May ibinigay din sa Tribune. At meron ding ibinigay yata sa Philippine Star. So, ang importante po nito ay noong napaamin natin si Attorney Bruce Rivera, 2 beses na po niyang inamin na ang nirerespeto at inaamin lamang nilang tunay na listahan na nanggaling kay Ginang Napoles ay yung isinumite nila kay Secretary de Lima.
As this list were made public, the whistleblower's former lawyer, Attorney Levy Baligot, reiterated finding the truth means considering only one of the list, as the other lists were worthless and copied only from the original given by Janet Lim Napoles to Secretary de Lima. For Baligot, everyone must keep an eye on de Lima's list, which was based on the evidence the NBI has acquired.
Ibang mga nagsasabi na meron din silang listahan ay mga pretenders na lamang ito. Pampagulo na lamang. Ang hirap paniwalaan yung isang tao na magbibigay ng 6 na iba-ibang listahan sa 6 na iba-ibang tao na iba-iba rin ang nilalaman. So walang ibang pakay yan kundi guluhin lamang itong nangyayaring proseso. Kaya ang hinihiling po natin ay bawat ahensya ng gobyerno ay gampanan yung kanilang mandato.